I'm Chris Smith for Inside Micron. Today we're inside a Micron facility that's been donated for a practice field for the first robotics competition sponsored by the Micron Foundation. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology, and it's a competition for high school students to build a robot that follows a predetermined challenge.
Well, every year the challenge changes. This is actually really similar to the 2006 year. We're dealing with a smaller ball. The difference is we have to put it in a non-stationary target, which every robot tows around a trailer, and you're trying to put the ball in the opposing team's trailer.
I wouldn't say necessarily fun. It's definitely rewarding, though, once you get to see your robot rolling. It is a lot of work, 3 hours a night. It's a lot of time to spend, especially managing homework. But definitely rewarding once you see the robot running.
It's different every year, dealing with problem solving between the students and the mentors, and overcoming challenges in the design process and communicating those challenges.
This is my 4th year of being a mentor. We've seen literally an explosion of interest within the valley with all the different high schools. You know, we're breeding an atmosphere of science and technology being really important in this valley, and they are. The most fun is actually out there at the competition. It is as dynamic of an environment as you'll ever see, better than any concert or sporting event, and you've got all the enthusiasm in the world in one small area, and it's just awesome to watch these kids work.
Definitely stressed out. It seems like we're always finishing the robot at the competition. This year, it's no exception. We're still fixing out some of the small bugs, so we're pretty excited for it.
The Micron Foundation sponsors FIRST robotics teams from the Boise School District, Mountain View High School, and the Nampa School District in Idaho, as well as Osborne High School, Osborne Park High School, and Battlefield High School in Virginia.
We probably wouldn't be doing this without Micron, both financially and support by the mentors.
Micron team members from Idaho and Virginia also volunteer as mentors.
It starts off being focused on science and technology, and so that's typically the foundation for each of the mentors. But as we've moved on, we've seen that mentors encompass a broad spectrum of different professions and talents. And since the initial class of robotics students, we've actually continued on. I've got ongoing relationships with them even beyond when they graduate high school. I still look at, it's our role to be mentors, so whether it be which classes to take in the college level or career choices, I continue those relationships to this day.
Yeah!